So in terms of connection history, this is a good one as well. Again, really helpful for capacity planning and forecasting. This gives us an idea of how many concurrent connections we see by server. Now, unfortunately, this is a test lab. I had to round up every last VM that I had that had always on VPN provision to get this 11 count up here. But in a real environment, this will be much busier and much more dynamic. But at the end of the day, you can get an idea of how heavily utilized your servers are, and by scrolling in and scrolling out, you can see, different time slices for that. And of course, if you zoom all the way out, this is a fantastic tool to allow you to be able to perform trending analysis and look at this and say, hey, you know what, we are increasing by about 5 or 10% per month, and we only have 6 servers. By this time, I can say we're going to need more capacity, and so we can get out in front of that and be able to address that. Not only can I filter this particular report by server, but I can also actually drill down and identify specific users. So this is really helpful because I can look and see, how busy a specific user is over time, should I decide to drill down that far.